Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make egusi soup. Very easy and simple way. So for today's soup I'll be using ugu leaves, which is pumpkin leaves, and I'll be using some assorted meats, goat meat, shaki and pomo, which you can see I'm washing right now. So first thing I'm gonna do is boil my meat, and I'm gonna add some seasoning to it, my maggi, salt, and just your regular spices. I don't go crazy on those. And then I'm gonna add some onions as well. You want that scent to come out, you want it to be smelling really nice and tasting really good. And then I bought my ugu leaves fresh, so I'm just cutting them into like smaller chunks. I'm not too particular about like the size or whatever. I just basically just cut it into like whatever, and just make sure it's quite even and good, eatable. So next thing, I'm gonna add some oil into my pot, and then I'm gonna add some onions. The oil was actually like microwaved because sometimes it gets solid, so that's why it kind of cooked really fast. And then I added some water to my egusi, and then I'm just adding that into the oil now. So you need to be careful because egusi can get burnt quickly, so you need to stir and stir and stir it. And then once that's done, I already blended some fresh peppers. You need fresh pepper for this because you need it to like come out really nice. So I'm just adding the stock from my meat as well, and while that is going on, and I'm actually frying my meat in the background, and that was done. So I'm just adding all of that meat into my soup while it's cooking. So I've left the pepper to cook for a little bit, and then just adding my meat to it. And once that's done, like, all you have to do is add your ugu leaves or whatever leaves you want to use. I prefer to use ugu, by the way, and you will just see, you would think it's a lot, but actually like it's gonna settle down and blend like nicely with the egusi that is already in the soup. Like, and for egusi you don't need too much pepper, to be honest. Like, look how nice this is looking. Like, guys, I couldn't even wait to like start eating it because I haven't cooked soup in a while. And yeah, this is like when I turned off the stove, and the soup was beginning to settle. Like, see the rich colors from it. And this is like the end product. I had to make some poundo on the side. I don't eat a lot of swallow, so I just made some small poundo, and then with my soup looking so yummy and sumptuous. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this and you learned from it, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you.